गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। तो आज फिर से हम लेकर आए हैं आपके लिए एक लाइव प्रोसेस जो है एक्सक्रीशन, जो आज आपकी वर्कशीट नंबर 30 डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ एजुकेशन के माध्यम से आपको समझाई जा रही है। तो बेटा, व्हाट इज़ एक्सक्रीशन? यू नो मैनी मल्टी सेलुलर organisms a number of chemical reaction occur in our body. A variety of waste products also be generated, so we need to remove these wastes from our body. So the removal of the waste from the body is called excretion. Excretion is the removal of metabolic waste from the body. So what is excretion? You got it? Can unicellular and multicellular organism excrete by the same way? No students, because unicellular organism have only one cell, so they use diffusion. They remove waste by the process of diffusion from the body's surface. But in multicellular organism there are large number of cells, so they remove by specialized organ. So today we discuss here about the excretion in human beings. The main function of excretory system is to remove the nitrogenous waste like urea and uric acid from our body. And what are the different parts of human excretory system? First, a pair of kidney visible to you, a pair of ureter, a bladder and a urethra. Okay, these are the main parts of human excretory system. And what are their functions, student? Kidney, it is located in abdomen, either side of the backbone. Ureter, urine produced in the kidney passes through them. Bladder, it stores the urine for some time until the urge to pass out. And the last one is urethra, urine released through it. So this is the diagram of your human excretory system. What is the function? What is the purpose of making urine? Why excretory system make urine? The purpose of making urine is to filter out the waste product from the blood, and these wastes are removed by blood with the help of kidneys and then passes to bladder and then to thrown out by urethra. Student, how the urine form? So here we study about nephron. What is nephron, student? The structural and functional unit of kidney is nephron. Okay, this is the answer of your third question. Okay, and this is the diagram of nephron, student. It is very important diagram. In seeing it is very complicated, but I share a link in the description box in which you can learn how to draw the diagram of nephron in 6 easy steps. Okay students, please visit the description link and learn how to draw, and draw with me. Okay, blood at the high pressure travel to these tubules by blood capillaries called glomerulus, which are surrounded by a cup shaped capsule called the Bowman's capsule. So student, here you can see a large number of cells are present, and that is called glomerulus. Glomerulus is covered by a cup shape, and this cup shape is known as Bowman's capsule. How formation of urine occurs, student? First is ultrafiltration. Ultrafiltration occurs in glomerulus. Under high pressure, forcing substances dissolved in the blood coming into the Bowman capsule. So student, whenever blood with the impurities come to our glomerulus, then ultrafiltration occurs here. Ultrafiltration forces the all dissolved substances into a cup-shaped structure that is called Bowman capsule. After the Bowman capsule, the blood passes through the tubular region. There are two tubular regions, PCT and DCT. I will discuss you now. PCT, that is proximal convoluted tubule, DCT distal convoluted tubule. And here in PCT and DCT, glucose amino acid salts were selectively absorbed. It means these tubules select the useful substances from the blood. As the useful selection occurs, the urine passes through the tubule, and here some of the ions like potassium ion, ammonium ion are secreted into urine. And after the secretion of the ions, the water get reabsorbed, and after the reabsorption, the urine gets yellow color. And after getting yellow color, it is ready to excrete out. So it passes from ureter to the bladder, and under high pressure bladder expand and we pass out with the urethra out. Okay student, before moving to the exercise, let me to show the diagram of nephron to you. This is the diagram of nephron student, and easy steps are: first draw a moon shape. Firstly we draw this shape, moon shape. Secondly draw 3 waves. We have to draw 3 waves here students, 1, 2 and 3. Thirdly draw a U shape. Then we draw a U shape student. Okay. Draw with me and also visit the video in the description box. First we draw a moon shape. Okay. Secondly we draw 3 waves, 1, 2, 3. Got it? Fourth step, draw U shape. Then we draw a U shape and again draw 3 waves. Now we have to draw again 3 waves students. 1, 2, 3. Draw 2 parallel lines. We have to draw 2 parallel lines. We have draw here 2 parallel lines. Okay. And in these parallel lines, we make path for entering the urine. This is called collecting duct students. Okay, this is your collecting duct. And lastly, draw a coil on the wave structure. Now we have to draw a coil on the wave structure. This is our wave structure. This is the diagram of your nephron. How it is easy? Very easy. And please visit the description link students, so as to draw the diagram very easily. You can draw in minutes, not in minutes, in seconds. And you can also teach your friends, your colleagues, then how to draw a diagram of nephron in a easy way. Okay students, go back to our worksheet. Let us practice some questions here. First question is your: how do unicellular organism perform excretion? By the diffusion process. So this is your first answer. Okay. Second question: how our excretion is different from unicellular and multicellular? So this table is also your second answer question student. In second answer you have to write both unicellular and multicellular, means draw this difference table. Third question, what is the functional unit of kidney? This is your third answer, nephron. You have to draw the diagram also, student, because it is very important from the exam point of view. The process of ultrafiltration occur in glomerulus. So this is your fourth answer, student, glomerulus. The last question, draw a label diagram of excretory system. You have to draw a label diagram of excretory system, student. From here you can draw from my description link, you can draw from your NCERT book. From where you have feel comfortable, draw it and label it completely to score good marks. I think this worksheet is easy for you now. How formation of urine occur, how excretion occur in human being, and how excretion occur in unicellular organism. What is the importance of excretion? It helps in the removal of nitrogenous waste like urea and uric acid. Student, if you like that worksheet, share among your friend circle and subscribe our channel Learning Light to get more updates. Thank you.